Imagine braving the harshest storm only to find a tiny life in need of saving. A dedicated officer on patrol hears the faintest cry. With a flashlight cutting through the snow, they discover a baby penguin, wounded and trapped. Braving the freezing temperatures, the officer gently lifts the fragile bird and wraps it in their warm jacket. Radioing for help, they race against time through the storm. Inside a warm shelter, the officer tends to the penguin's wounds, and as the tiny life begins to recover, the penguin looks up with gratitude. Heroes wear many hats. Today, one wore a badge.